I used to say when I worked nightclubs, don't forget your waitress, take her with you.
Because you got free drinks.
Well, they need support too. They don't make a lot of money.
True.
My webmaster back in the day named me Maverick. It was Maverick because my music's all over the place. It goes from the 50s and the 60s and the 70s and 80s. This song right here is another old one that I did. Hey, where did we go? Days when the rains came down in the hollow, playing a new game, laughing and a running, hey, hey, skipping and a jumping, in the misty morning fog. My heart said it felt brand new. Brown-eyed girl, you're my brown-eyed girl. Whatever happened to Tuesday went so slow, down in a hollow transistor radio, laughing and a running, hey, hey, skipping and a jumping, all around the morning fall. My heart said it felt brand new. Brown-eyed girl, you're my brown-eyed girl. Come on. Do you remember when we used to sing sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la? That's right. Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. So hard to find my way now that I'm on my own. I thought it just the other day, my, how you've grown. I can't remember back that long. Sometimes I'm overcome thinking about it, making love in the green, green grass behind the stadium with you. My brown-eyed girl, you're my brown-eyed girl. Do you remember when we used to sing sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. Oh, with you, brown-eyed girl.